Hello everyone, I am Ashutosh Kothari, Director of Ashutosh Rubber Pvt Ltd. Ashutosh Rubber Pvt Ltd, we are ISO certified, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and OHSAS 18001. We are into 13 different segments in molding of rubber parts for 13 different segments. One of which is cement concrete industry, products for cement concrete industry. We manufacture molds for different precast products of cement concrete industry. We have a versatile range right from paver blocks with a very good finish, then manhole covers with huge sizes right from 600 to 715. Then we have molds for cover blocks with 2 holes, with no holes, with different edge type cover block. We have cover blocks for column with all sizes. We even have cover blocks for foundation in different sizes. We have molds for hollow block as well. We have molds for ventilation grill in different designs, which is a very unique product, and it gives a very good finish on the cement product. We even have molds for cover blocks with different designs right from round and taper type. We even have molds for compound walls, and speaking about the compound wall, we have a mold like this, which is a hexagonal compound wall. It's a very unique product. When you think of any precast cement concrete product, think of molds of Ashutosh and nothing else. Keep yourself updated with our new products and new development by liking our page and Facebook and YouTube, Ashutosh Rubber. Thank you.